Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's talk about rules, legal ones. They are the kind that keeps businesses and banks honest. Contracts, compliance, privacy, these things aren't just paperwork. They are the rails that stop a business from running off tracks. In this lecture, we will discuss the legal challenges in banking and how to handle them. Let's begin this. By the end of this, you will know the key legal issues in business banking, understand how these issues affect business operations, learn strategies for managing legal risks. Contracts are the bones of business banking. They spell out terms, fees, and responsibilities. But misunderstandings happen. A loan's interest rate might be unclear. A payment schedule might not match expectations. When disputes arise, they disrupt business, delay funds, and strain relationships. The solution? Read every line. If something does not make sense, ask. It's better to spend an hour clarifying than months fighting. Banking laws like AML and KYC are strict. They stop criminals from using the system. But if a business does not follow them, the penalties are harsh: fines, audits, or worse. Stay compliant, keep up with the rules. They protect you as much as the bank. Legal issues in banking are like guardrails on a highway. They keep you on the path and out of danger. Ignore them and you risk a crash, fines, disputes, or worse. Respect the rails, they're there to protect. Privacy laws like the GDPR make data security essential. Businesses must protect customer information from leaks or breaches. A single slip up can mean fines and loss of trust. Strong security practices aren't just about compliance, they're about showing customers you value their safety. A business's idea, branding, and technology are its edge, but without protection, those assets are vulnerable. A rival might copy the software, a logo might get hacked. Protect your IP, file patents, register trademarks. It is better to spend upfront than fight in court later. Failing to repay a loan, known as defaulting, has consequences. The bank might take collateral or pursue legal action. Defaulting hurts credit and makes future borrowing harder. Before taking a loan, ask, can we afford this? If trouble arises, talk to the bank early. Most lenders prefer solutions over conflicts. Every term matters. If you do not understand something, ask a lawyer. A clear contract avoids misunderstandings and surprises. Regular checks keep your business aligned with regulations. Review transaction monitoring, privacy practices, and AML KYC adherence. Encrypt data, use firewalls, train employees to handle sensitive information. Secure systems are harder to breach. An attorney isn't just for emergencies. They help with contracts, compliance, and disputes. A good lawyer is an investment, not a cost. Find a legal issue relevant to your industry, like data privacy or loan compliance. Write a short summary of why it matters and how businesses navigate it. Alright, let's discuss. Do you think small businesses should invest in legal support, or is it an unnecessary expense? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Legal issues in business banking aren't exciting, but they're critical. Contracts, compliance, privacy, and intellectual property all shape the way businesses work with banks. Handle them with care and you will avoid trouble. This marks the end of this course on business banking. To gain more insights about interesting topics, keep exploring Eduta. See you later.